just as true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. So today is day number 2 of 12 days of Christmas DIYs here on my channel. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. And if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Violet and I hope you consider subscribing. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these adorable tier tray farmhouse Christmas decor pieces, again using Dollar Tree items. So the first thing we're going to be making are these solid block homes that I'm making with some homes that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are the solid wooden ones, and they had some foam flowers right on the top of these. So what I did was basically just get my X-Acto knife and some sandpaper and remove all of that from the top of my block home. Once I was done, I grabbed my sanding block and just sanded it off. Next, I went ahead and got some jute twine, and I just added some hot glue to the back of this home, and then I just started wrapping the rope right on the top. Now, I wanted to show you that you can keep what it says on this wooden home, or you can remove it and add your own wording or your own saying on here as well. And I'll be showing you how I did both of them that way. So here, once you've wrapped it around your home as many times as you like, just go ahead and add some more hot glue to the back, and then make sure you cut off any of that extra jute twine. Next, you're going to grab some of these little wooden pieces. They're like, I guess they're for gifts. And I just grabbed my Christmas tree one because it had glitter, and basically you're done. So what I did next was I grabbed my second wooden block home, and I got some acetone or nail polish remover, and with the cotton ball just rubbed on those wordings that were on my home, and as you can see, they come off very easily. Once you taken them off as much as you can just wipe it down or get your little sanding block and just sand it down a little bit just to make sure all of it is removed. Once you're happy with the way it looks, and I just left it like that, but you can paint your wooden block as well. I grabbed some of these little wooden pieces that say Mary with the deer on the end of it, and I painted mine with the brick red. And this dries really quickly. I just gave it one good coat. And then I'm going to glue this onto my home. And all I used to glue it was my hot glue gun. So there's a lot of different things you can do on here. You can use your Cricut or some stickers and write or, print out something. You can use these little wooden pieces, words that I'm using, or anything like that, or just write on here if you'd like. Next, I went ahead and decided to use some more of these little wood pieces, and I'm using the snowflake ones, and I'm going to paint them with a gold that I have that's from Martha Stewart paint, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of dot of glue to the back of my snowflake and glue it onto my wooden home. And as you can see, I left that little sponge part in the back, or the sticky sponge, on the back of my snowflakes because I wanted it to look more like a 3D. So I left it on there, but you can remove that and just add the hot glue to the wood piece itself. Next, I wanted it to match a little bit about like the other home that I just made. So I grabbed some of that jute twine and wrapped it on the bottom of this home. And again, you can wrap it around as many times as you like. Once you're done, just add some hot glue to the back, glue that last point of your jute twine, and then cut off the rest. So I decided to go ahead and get one more snowflake and put it right on my jute twine, just like I did for the tree. And there you have it, an adorable Merry Christmas signs. So next, what I decided to do again was use some of these stickers, the wooden block ones, and I'm going to use the little gift ones that they have. And I decided to get a popsicle stick and put 3 of them different ways onto that popsicle stick. Then I got 2 of the little building blocks or the Jenga blocks, and I'm putting them on the bottom, gluing that popsicle stick in between both of them and making a little stand. And of course, you can leave them as is or paint them. And I decided to paint each one of the presents kind of similar with the same colors. So what I did was I painted all of the bows red. And then there's like an X or a little plus sign right in the middle of each one of these presents that I thought would look like the ribbons. So what I decided to do after I painted the green onto this first present box, I decided to go ahead and use the red to paint into those little ribbon sections as well. Now these little presents or gift boxes, they also have little circles, so you can go into more detail and paint those little circles a different color as well. I just wanted to keep it simple, so I just painted it a solid color. So just grab a thin paintbrush and then you can paint that little ribbon area into each one of these little wooden gift boxes. Let me know in the comments below what you've used these little wooden sticker decor pieces for. I think they are for gifts. I'm not really quite sure. I know I've used these quite a bit for different wreaths or garlands that I've made, but I've never made them really like this in the stand just alone. But I thought it looked really adorable and it's perfect size for any of those tier trade decor pieces that you need. Just that little extra touch on a bookshelf or on top of some books. I think it would look really adorable as well. So the bottom one, I decided to go ahead and paint that one gold. Then I decided to go ahead and paint the 2 little blocks that or the stand part of my decor piece with the hunter green from Apple Barrel as well. So our last piece that we're going to be making is, I'm going to be making kind of like a berry vine. And instead of making just your plain garland, which I've used these little vase fillers and made different garlands with these and also tassels, I wanted to share with you how I make little vines of berries. That's what I call them. But basically what I did was just grab the largest foam ball that comes in these vase fillers, and I'm using the red ones, and I just glue them onto my jute twine just in different areas. They're not exactly the same distance apart, but just kind of eyeballing them and just gluing them onto the rope. And then once I was done with that, I went ahead and grabbed some more jute twine and just made a tassel. So once I was done making the tassel, I went ahead and just set that aside while I continued adding on more berries to my little berry vine. So now I started using some of the smaller berries or the little vase fillers, and I started with the medium size and then just kind of went with the smaller ones. I believe there's about 3 or 4 different sizes of these little vase fillers in each one of the bags, and they usually come in 2 or maybe even 3 different colors. So this one is the Christmas foam vase filler bag that I got, and it has the red and gold little balls in there. So I just kind of used different sizes and kind of just glued them on in different areas of my little vine. And again, I thought this was so pretty and just so simple to make as well. Perfect for all those tier trays. Again, you can wrap this around a candle or even make a longer one and wrap it around your Christmas tree as well. I think it would look really adorable on that as too. So this is the way it looks once it's done, and you can leave it as is. But again, since I had some more of these stickers, I decided to go ahead and just add one of these green glitter Christmas trees that are wood pieces as well, and just glue it onto my tassel. And there you have it, some adorable tiered tray decor pieces that you can make quite easily. Let me know which one is your favorite. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.